right now, everything slows down. This moment is just for you. No alerts, no tickets, no pipelines waiting to run, only calm and the quiet rhythm of a cluster at rest. Here, automation meets relaxation, infrastructure meets stillness, and uptime becomes peace of mind. You've done enough for today. Your systems will keep running. The load balancers will balance. The pods will stay healthy. And the control plane will keep watching. You can finally let go. Take this time to rest, to breathe, to allow your mind to drift through the gentle hum of servers and the steady pulse of Kubernetes. This space is where DevOps engineers can find sleep and peace without leaving what they love. Each whisper, each sound carries a reminder that even in complex systems, there is beauty in balance. And before we begin, remember to subscribe and join the Patreon community. The link is in the description below. There, you'll find extra DevOps relaxation sessions, longer ASMR builds at least 1 hour long, made for engineers just like you. Together, we're creating a calm space in a world full of pings and alerts. So settle in, close your eyes if you'd like, and let the sound of the cluster carry you. This is Kubernetes Dreams, a meditation in orchestration. The cluster breathes. The cluster breathes quietly, every pod at peace, every node humming in rhythm. Kubernetes is calm. It observes. It balances. It heals. When a node drifts offline, Kubernetes listens. It notices gently and restores balance. There is no panic, no rush, only grace in automation. Imagine the scheduler softly assigning new pods, each one finding its home, each one fitting perfectly into the greater system. Your mind is the control plane. Each breath you take is a heartbeat across the cluster. Even when one node is busy, another rests. Even when one part of you is working, another restores. The system knows how to heal itself. So do you. Let go of memory leaks. Let go of unnecessary logs. Let go of the noise. You are safe here, inside the orchestration of peace. Every breath, every heartbeat is uptime, continuous, reliable, graceful, and as you rest, your own processes will balance. Your thoughts are the nodes, the background threads of your day. Finally pause everything aligns. Pods of purpose. Each pod carries a task, small, precise, temporary, but vital. One pod delivers joy, another serves curiosity, another simply waits, idle but ready. Together, they form your inner microservices. Each has a role. Each is monitored with care. If one fails, Kubernetes restarts it gracefully, quietly. You can restart too. When a thought fails, you can recreate it, fresh, new, alive. You are not your last crash log. You are not your past deployment. You are the living service that keeps moving forward. Listen, the gentle hum you hear is the liveness probe of your spirit, confirming all systems operational, the soft flicker of the terminal. Everything is healthy, everything is green, and if you look deeper, you'll find peace in that pattern. Pods start, pods stop. The system remains stable. The orchestration continues. The calm of scaling. Sometimes the load increases, traffic rises, requests multiply. But Kubernetes doesn't panic. It scales. It observes the pressure and gently adds capacity. More pods emerge silently, one by one, taking on the extra weight. You can do the same. Is Kubernetes checking on your well-being? When life adds pressure, you can scale gently. Add a breath. Add a pause. Add rest. No need to rush a vertical upgrade. You can expand horizontally, one thought at a time. And when the pressure falls, you scale back gracefully. Nothing wasted, no exhaustion. Balance remains. Even in chaos, Kubernetes finds calm. Even in demand, it finds order. And you are the same, built for balance, designed for resilience, capable of self-healing. Secrets and config maps. Deep within every system, there are secrets, values hidden for safety, for integrity, for trust. You too hold secrets, not of code, but of the soul. They live quietly within you. Some are credentials of memory. Some are tokens of emotion. Some are keys to old doors that no longer need to be opened. You don't need to expose them. You just need to keep them safe. In this calm moment, you are encrypting your peace. You are sealing your serenity. No unauthorized access. No leaks. Only harmony behind the firewall of your heart. and your config map is full of kindness, full of gratitude, full of clarity. If you could print your configuration, it would read purpose, peace, mode, relaxed, status, running. Everything you need is already inside the pod of your being. The network of thoughts. Connections form quietly. Services find each other. Requests flow. Responses return. This is the mind's network, a soft mesh of awareness, each thought communicating gently through invisible APIs of intention. There are no dropped packets here, no broken links. Everything routes perfectly. Your thoughts travel slowly, peacefully to where they belong. DNS resolves to calm. The load balancer sends traffic to your most rested self. You are both client and server, both request and response. Everything inside you is connected, and every connection is healthy. As you drift deeper, imagine the cluster stretching into infinity, each node glowing softly, each pod whispering logs of gratitude. And so are you. The network is alive and at peace. Everything balanced, everything healed, everything infinite. If you're still awake, thank you for staying until the end. And if you've drifted off, may your dreams deploy gently with zero downtime. Remember, you can always return to the cluster when you need stillness. And if you found peace here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Patreon community. The link is in the description below. There, you'll find longer sessions and the next release in this ASMR series. Sleep now, engineer. You are balanced. You are stable.